This one-pan minced beef macaroni is kind of a cross between mac and cheese and a bolognese. It's all cooked in one pan on the hob. So let's get cooking. We're going to start with the vegetables. To a food processor, add a peeled and roughly chopped onion, a roughly chopped celery stick, a peeled and roughly chopped carrot, and 3 peeled garlic cloves, and then whiz it together until finely chopped. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large frying pan over a high heat. We're going to add in that vegetable mix, along with 500 grams, which is a little over a pound of minced beef. And we're also going to add half a teaspoon each of salt and pepper. Fry for about 5 minutes, stirring often and breaking up any large pieces of the mince as you go, until that beef is lightly browned. Now stir in 2 tablespoons of tomato puree or paste in the US. Then add 300 grams or 10.5 ounces of macaroni, a teaspoon of dried oregano, half a tablespoon of Worcester sauce, 2 400 gram or 14 ounce cans of finely chopped tomatoes, 360 ml, which is about 1.5 cups of beef stock, and 120 ml or half a cup of full fat whole milk to the pan. Stir it all together and bring to the boil, then place the lid on and turn it down to a gentle simmer. So we're going to let that simmer gently now for about 12 to 14 minutes, stirring it occasionally just to make sure it doesn't catch on the bottom until that macaroni is nice and tender. Now this recipe is one of the exclusive recipes on my new book, Quick and Easy, so be sure to check it out. It's got loads of 30-minute dinners in there to make dinner time much easier for you. Once that macaroni is nice and tender, we're going to remove the lid, give the pasta a stir again, and add in 100 grams, which is about 1 packed cup of mixed grated cheese. Stir it all together and then top with a further 100 gram or 1 packed cup of the mixed grated cheese. Then place the lid on and cook for a further minute until the cheese melts. And now we're ready to serve. Oh, look at that lovely cheesy gooiness. We're going to serve that between bowls and sprinkle with some nice fresh parsley and a sprinkling of black pepper. And there we go, that's my 30-minute one-pan minced beef macaroni. Absolutely love this dish for a really tasty, comforting, easy dinner, and loads of cheese in there too. So this recipe is available in my new book, Quick and Easy. The recipe is on at page 142, so be sure to check it out. I'll see you next time.